All right, guys, let's go this way. Let's go back here. I think it's a major recall TSB or some sort going on over here. And I have to do some investigation before I start really speaking on it. But I'm under the impression that there is a recall now on the rear suspension, guys. Let's see what he doing. He had to take the whole rear cradle out. That looks like the new one, of course. So what we have is the, wow, it's all rusted up. Wow, look at this, guy. No. Guys, when your car get like this, you might ought to just let it go. I can't believe Chrysler's taking responsibility for this. No. Well, anyway, they're making us put a whole complete rear cradle. I wonder if they're making us do the front. Oh, whoa! Holy crap! Look at this. Now, if it's a flaw, then yes. Guys, this guy back here doing, he said he doing the first one. He said he back here fussing, say he never doing another one. Well, I don't know if he have much of a choice. So I think they making us replace, yeah, that looks like the one for the front right there. So they're making us replace the front and the rear. Holy crap. I don't even want this car back, man. What is this car is from? Hey, what happened? Oh, Michigan?
Yeah, they have warranty Michigan and Ohio and New York cars.
It's warranty?
Yep.
Or a recall or something? They making us replace the front and the rear cradle.
Only in the winter states.
Oh, only in what? So Chrysler saying this they problem?
Yeah.
It ain't just that, it's the whole freaking car rusted up.
Yeah, but the only thing that's really bad, go punch your hand, punch your
I see that. I see that up here. Holy crap. Look at.
They didn't coat them.
Oh, they should have coated it when they first put it on? Holy crap. So she down here on vacation or she here for?
They must have moved here. Pulled it up and said warranty.
No! It said.
Front and rear.
I got to read that. I have got to read that. I don't want, yeah, no sir. Eric can have all of them now. Oh, they break when he try to take them out. What about if you soak them with rust penetration? No, even after soaking them with impact. I mean with yeah. It's just give up. Just let it go at this point. It's gonna be bigger headache than what it. Dude, wait a minute. Now see, that's body. That ain't.
That's your body. But I mean, this motherfucker gonna start flexing sooner or later. It ain't get here yet, though. This the main structure.
Yeah. So what they should have did to prevent it? Spray undercoating on it.
Use that rhino. I don't know if they had rhino cover back then, but anything, because up north, guys, when you buy a new car up north, you can buy the package where they undercoat your car.
Oh, and prevent this. No sorry, Bob. Eric can have all of them.
If he's going back up north, I'll have somebody put one layer of rhino cover on him.
And he want his car? He actually wants the car? He gonna keep the car?
Yeah,
You bring me back here and show me this, I'm done with the car at that point. Oh, this your customer?
Yeah, for 12 hours of maintenance. He said, yeah. So I mean, he got warranty, but he got 12 hours.
Oh, he doing some work. Whoa.
Man, he been working this all day yesterday.
Yeah, he said. Yeah, I don't think about getting Eric nothing else.
He got 12 hours of maintenance on top of that.
So these pay pretty decent?
4.6.
A piece or for both? Thank God for that maintenance work. Yeah. So. Holy crap. Did y'all hear that? So even guys, even after soaking the boats for, Jeff said, an hour, they still snapping. Yes, I would let these boats soak overnight. Well, it's only so much. Like, where you gonna get the rust penetration in? You gonna spray right in here and hope it make its way down to the threads and soak? That's hard to do. So from the look of it, guys, he have the rear on already. Now I'm gonna pull the information up because this suspense is killing me. I cannot believe, like, that does nothing for this. And I don't have no gloves on. Shame on me. That does nothing for this. And as y'all heard, he did buy some maintenance, so that will cushion the blow for the poor mechanic that has to do that. Yes, that one has to be replaced too. This has to be replaced. So we're doing the front. So guys, the rack and pinion. Y'all see what all is bolted to the cradle? The rack and pinion, lower control arm. This one might be a little easy. See, right now, I don't know what he's doing. He should be letting this soak. Go shoot right in here. Those threads are in there, ain't they? Shoot right in here and let that rust penetration soak on everything cradle related. Holy crap. Guys, even if the bolt break up in the frame, how the hell how you gonna cut the bolt out and the thread still left in the frame? This may be one of those, they say, this might be one of those Chrysler should just buy back. I'm sorry. I love you, Chrysler. I love you to death, but this is like going too far. Look at this. Holy crap. Yeah, because this stuff will eventually... Wow, guys. I'm going to pull up. Look, are we going to use the same suspension parts that's bolted to the... I have no idea. Look at the struts. Is this Chrysler problem too? Here's the vapor canister. And guys, he's not just using any old rust penetration. We're using this. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Breaks loose faster. Penetrating canister. So y'all wouldn't understand, don't worry. Wow.